Namaskaram. In this video, I will be discussing that how to use yantras or how can we benefit from the yantras. Yantras can be public or private yantras. For example, Indian temples, ancient Indian temples I would call, they are like live yantras. If you look at the architecture of Kashi Vishwanath temple in Benares, it is an example of live yantra. So this is an example of public yantra. So many people at a time can use the power of this yantra, and the public and the private yantras are like you can use it as a talisman, like you can just wear it, you can wear in your neck, you can wrap around your hands, and some you can keep at your prayer place. Some yantras you can just stitch, you can just uh, put in your home, your offices. They are like private yantras. So I think here most of you are looking for the private yantras. Yantra you can make in many ways, like on the copper, on gold, on iron, on birch, uh, on the paper of trees in natural form, and it depends upon the kind of yantra you are going to use, because when I will be explaining you about a particular yantras for particular purposes, so I will be telling you that which metal or what thing you are required, like what kind of color, what kind of uh, what kind of metal, what you are going to require for a particular mantra, for a particular yantra, that is going to be different for different yantras. So some yantras they can be engraved, some can be drawn, and some they can be like this. You can just use like a rangoli. It can be also used like for decorative purpose, but still it is going to serve its purpose as long as you make it live, you energize it, you consecrate the energies. So we call it pran pratishtha. Pran pratishtha is like to make a yantra live. Mantra is like mind consciousness, and yantra is like a yantra is like a geometrical form of a particular deity. So yantra is basically a deity. It's a geometrical form, systematic form. So with the help of mantra and the rituals and tantra, you can make a yantra live. uh, some yantras you have to be keep maintaining. Sometimes you have to cleanse the energy again, like the way you cleanse the crystals. Sometimes you have to keep upgrading to keep it live. Some yantras they can be, it depends how much energy is consecrated into it. So some yantras are so powerful, they are made in such a powerful way that they can be used from generation to generations. So it all depends, like how are you going to energize the yantra and how you are going to maintain the energy of that yantra. It also depends upon you. So yantras they can be used in different ways. Some yantras also you can use for the meditation, and suppose if you are using a yantra for the prayer, just for the more focus for your purpose, so that should be kept little bit higher on the level. So there's a different ways of using a particular yantra. So when I will be explaining you about when I will be telling you, like suppose I'm going to tell you a yantra that is a yantra to get a child. So I will be explaining that okay, this yantra you have to write this way, you have to write on this, you have to use this material, this particular color to write it. So it will differ from yantra to yantra. Thank you.